Transmission warning light on. Here are the most common causes you should know. 1. Low transmission fluid. Transmission fluid can be too low in your system, probably due to a leak. Low transmission fluid levels make the transmission system low on lubrication, which is critical and may lead to internal transmission failure. Your vehicle has sensors measuring transmission fluid, and they shoot transmission warning lights to your dashboard if they detect low levels. 2. Electrical issues. Electrical issues can lead to a faulty transmission control module, sensors, connectors, etc. Without a working transmission sensor, the system picks up the wrong data, resulting in an illuminated transmission light on the dashboard. 3. Contaminated transmission fluid. The transmission fluid can become contaminated due to internal debris from friction, overtime degradation, etc. In such cases, the contaminated fluid starts affecting the transmission system, leaving debris and components. Consequently, these components start suffering wear and tear, which vehicle sensors pick up on and trigger a transmission warning light. 4. Faulty torque converter. The torque converter is a fluid coupling device transmitting torque from the engine to a rotating driven load. It transfers power from the engine to the wheels, allowing the car to change gears smoothly, and protecting the transmission from damage, a bridge, between your engine and the transmission. Therefore, if it fails, you'll be having transmission problems, which sensors will pick up on and trigger a warning light. 5. Faulty valve body. The valve body has transmission solenoids that move based on what signal it receives from the vehicle's computer. The valve body's role is to distribute transmission fluid, shift gears, control mechanisms, and provide hydraulic pressure in the transmission system. However, the valve body might fail and stop changing position. This indicates that the internal transmission requires repair, triggering a warning light. 6. Faulty shift interlock. The shift interlock system is a safety measure that locks the transmission shift so it doesn't slip out of place mid-drive. For the transmission to work properly, the interlock should unlock when the engine is running and the brake pedal is pressed. However, if the shift interlock fails, the transmission sensor notices it as a safety issue and triggers a warning light. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.